There is a mission we take to heart at MGen GBP, to raise the quality of life and create a lasting impact on our host communities through our business.
40 na katuig ko diri nga nagpuyo. Kuan pa kaayo ning Toledo eh. Pura kuan pa kaayo ba, mingaw pa kaayo kausaban niya na kuan ning maong mga kausaban kay tungod aning atuang kuan planta sa global. Dako man kay na tampo dinhi sa Toledo kay sa kamingaw anang Toledo sa una suroy ka diha nga wa pagina walay kaisano walay friends your house
fish pond na dati dira lang gako ang mga tao sang pangabuhian tapos sang sinina nga ara na si GBP dako gid amon pagpasalamat bilang residente diri sa barangay Inguri kay tungod ara si GBP naghatag gid sa sang pangabuhian sa mga tao nga dira ga nagahatagan sila sang oportunidad nga dira mag-obra ang mga pumuloy sa barangay Inguri.
The MGen GBP CSR programs are at the heart of the company and our operations, all designed towards powering the good life. In Cebu, our project involves reforestation within a watershed that supplies water to Toledo and nearby communities. Another project is in partnership with the West Visayas State University for the reforestation of 150 hectares of land within the campus. We also incorporate agroforestry into our projects by allocating areas for high-value crops and fruit-bearing trees. This way, the local communities are provided with supplemental income once reforestation has been completed. We have set our sights on planting 2 million trees. As of 2023, we have planted 1,425,840 trees so far. Healthy communities are fundamental to economic growth. And our Adopt a Health Center program makes primary healthcare accessible down to the community level.
Maraming ibinigay na mga health equipment na magagamit namin talaga. So nagiging madali yung pagbibigay namin ng serbisyo sa tao.
Aplaya Sardines is a livelihood enterprise that augments the income of fisherfolks. The company helps Aplaya Sardines enterprise by expanding its marketing efforts and increasing its production capabilities.
Nagkaroon po ang programa po ang dating Mayor Jose Mendoza upang tulungan po ang mga maliliit na mangingisda. Nagkaroon po siya ng mga pa-training ng mga pagpoproseso po ng iba't ibang ilaw, yung po mga karne o isda, kaya po kami nag-training sa paggawa ng sardinas.
PH Renewables Incorporated and its contractor Soul Energy Systems Incorporated are breaking down barriers by including women in their construction team.
Una, akala ko hindi ko po makapayan trabahuin yung mga trabaho ng lalaki dito. Pero nagtagal-tagal din po nakayanan ko rin po. Katulad po ng pagbubuhat ng panel po, nakayanan ko rin po mga.
Sa mga lalaki po kasi kailangan pakitaan sila ng gilas para gumaya din sa amin. Kaya nagsisipag din sila.
In 2022, out of the 634 indirect hires of PH Renewables during the development phase, 21% are women.
Ang pagka-scholar na ko sa global is dili siya dapat nako sayangan, and dapat nako siya haguan because this will someday give me the power to change the course of my life and my family.
In Iloilo, the company supports VOCTEC scholars.
Hirap talaga ako sa buhay at pamilya po, isang kahig, isang tukalaw. Pero nung na-introduce ako sa scholarship ng GBP, nagbago. Malaki yung impact ng GBP sa akin, sa pamilya ko.
Tatay ko po is nagkasakit siya. Kasi kailangan niyang operahan. So, nagsabi siya kay mama na parang hindi na nila ako kayang operahan. That's why nag-decide po ako na maghanap ng scholarship kasi gusto ko talagang mag-aral. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa GPP kasi kundi po dahil sa kanya, hindi po ako nakaabot ngayon sa kung ano ko ngayon.
MGen GBP believes that servicing the country doesn't stop at power generation. It must involve strengthening and progressing the communities that we work in, with and around, envisioning better lives for the Filipino people.
Beyond that is a social purpose to business, no? That the ultimate test of your effectiveness and efficiency as a corporation, as a business, is how well you have improved the lives of your people.
Yeah.
So you should not be measured not just on the profits you deliver, but as well on how well you have improved the lives and welfare of your people.